BandLab versus Logic Pro, which music software wins? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without technical frustrations. Both BandLab and Logic Pro offer powerful tools but with different approaches. BandLab and Logic Pro are two popular music production platforms. BandLab is a cloud-based collaborative DAW, while Logic Pro is a professional, Mac-exclusive software focused on in-depth studio production. The core difference lies in accessibility versus advanced features. BandLab is a free, cloud-based digital audio workstation designed for musicians who want easy access to music creation and collaboration. It works entirely online, allowing users to record, edit, and mix tracks from any device with internet access. BandLab's strengths include its user-friendly interface, seamless social features for sharing and collaborating with other artists, and a wide selection of built-in instruments and effects. It supports unlimited projects and cloud storage, making it ideal for creators who value flexibility and community engagement. However, BandLab's limitations include less advanced editing tools and audio processing compared to professional desktop software. It lacks the depth and precision that seasoned producers might require. BandLab is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and musicians looking for a free, accessible platform to create and share music without needing expensive hardware or software. Logic Pro is a professional digital audio workstation developed by Apple, available exclusively for Mac users. It offers a comprehensive suite of advanced recording, editing, and mixing tools tailored for serious music producers and composers. Logic Pro works as a powerful desktop application with extensive MIDI capabilities, a vast library of sounds, plugins, and virtual instruments, and support for high-resolution audio formats. Its strengths lie in its deep customization, high-quality effects, and seamless integration with other Apple products. Limitations include its steep learning curve for beginners and the requirement of a Mac computer, which limits accessibility. Logic Pro is ideal for musicians and producers who demand professional-grade features, precise control over every aspect of production, and a robust environment for complex projects. It suits those ready to invest time and resources into mastering a full-featured DAW. BandLab and Logic Pro serve different user needs. BandLab excels in accessibility, collaboration, and ease of use, making it perfect for quick ideas, remote teamwork, and beginners. Its cloud-based nature means you can work anywhere without installation. Logic Pro, in contrast, offers unmatched depth and professional tools for detailed production, ideal for studio-quality work and advanced sound design. The trade-off is that Logic Pro requires a Mac and has a steeper learning curve. For example, a bedroom producer wanting to experiment and share music easily might prefer BandLab, while a professional composer or engineer producing complex arrangements will benefit more from Logic Pro's capabilities. Choosing between them depends on your workflow, technical skills, and platform preference. Choose BandLab if you want a free, accessible, and collaborative platform perfect for beginners and musicians who create on the go without hardware limitations. Logic Pro is the best choice for serious producers seeking professional features and complete control over their music production. It delivers studio-grade tools and flexibility from Mac users ready to invest in a powerful DAW experience. Your music deserves the right software.